Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Kenny, and I'm addicted to luxury handbags and especially pre-loved luxury shopping because, you know, I love to save some coins on this channel but still enjoying this luxury. So I've got a little box here and it's a bag, okay? So yeah, it's a bag. Surprise. But I got it from eBay for such a steal. And I've been looking at this bag for quite a while, probably around 3 months, but I told myself, no, I'm not gonna get it. And then the seller started like putting the price down, like ridiculously low. So for this kind of price, and came with a Kurt Geiger box. Okay. So I actually got like similar style to this, but I thought it's such a good one. If that other bag messes up or, you know, gets ruined, then I have this as a backup. Like, story of my life. So, ooh, yes, okay, it's pretty packed well. Oh my god, okay, fine. Wow, okay, so it's from Prada. And it's a tote bag. Oh my gosh. Right. Let's take a look. Wow, okay. Kind of feels different to my other one, but that black Prada bag was more like softer and like so buttery, but this one is a little like a crinkly kind of leather. Not sure what type of leather, but it looks like the ones from the Balenciaga City. And this one is a little bit more like glossy finish, and it's got the strap as well. So there's like two hooks, D-ring inside where you can attach the strap. Let's try that. Hope it's not too long though. Right, but you can attach, but you can like adjust it. I think it's a bit long. That's the problem. I just wanted it to be okay. Not bad, right? A bit bummed. I thought it was like a made in Italy piece, but this was made in Turkey. And it's got that serial number right there. 194. Okay, not bad. Right, I think I like how it looks. The very slouchy kind of leather. It's a bit thin compared to my... Okay, this was my first one. Kind of similar, right? But the plaque on the black one is on the side, while this one you'll find it on the front. But yeah, I kind of love this kind of silhouette and style. For a work bag, I think this works so much better than the Louis Vuitton one that I got. This was made in Italy, while this is made in Turkey. This is so much substantial than this. While, I mean, this was cheaper, I think, compared to this one. But yeah, I decided to get it because I thought, yeah, it needed some rest. This was like my workhorse bag, and yeah, I can definitely interchange them now, so. Okay. I'm not really sure that I actually like how this is like quite a glossy finish than this one. Right, but nonetheless, I'm not like 100% happy, but I think for that price, I think it's quite well worth it. I think it needed some conditioning. Okay, yeah, that's my video for you guys. Right. Thank you for watching, guys, and stay safe. Bye.